And, wow, I haven't actually updated. Not a whole lot's gone on, though, so that's the reason. Um, let's see. My Andrew's Christmas gift came in. The Vana'diel clock. I'm not worried about him watching this because he'll have it by the time this is on the internet. It's really cool. In fact, I want to get one for myself. I just kind of opened it up and turned it on just to see how it worked. And I'm actually going to rig it to go off at a certain time so he can open it with Windurst's music. So, yeah, our nation on that game is Windurst. It's our favorite because Taru and Mithra. Anyway, other than that, not a whole lot's going on. I've been watching the Speed Gamers. They are very awesome. They play video games for charity, and that may sound kind of random, but what they do is they play an entire series, usually with a goal of completing every one of them within a weekend. In this case, they are doing a 72 or no, wait, yeah, is it 72? Well, in any case, all weekend they're going to be playing Pokemon and trying to capture all 493. And when I last checked, they had $9,000, or close to $9,000. They weren't quite there yet. Toward their $15,000 goal for Allie's House, which is a organization that helps fund cancer treatment for Oklahoma families. So that's a worthy cause. Well, even if it is only for Oklahoma, I'm not sure if it's only for Oklahoma or not. But in any case, I donated $5, and I feel like it was a good spend to $5, considering it's going towards treatment for cancer for kids who have that, which is terrible. So yeah, I've just been watching that. I've been playing Final Fantasy 11 a bit. Got to level 66 yesterday. I actually went up 2 levels. And today I've just been, I worked on getting enough fame to get the teleport spells. And then I actually got the teleport spells. Except, I still don't have, I still need to get teleport Altep, which is what I stopped. That's where I stopped to get teleport Altep. And, teleport Maya, I still don't have enough rep to get it, so until I can do that, I guess I'll just be using teleport Dim, teleport Hala, and teleport Vazel. But enough about Final Fantasy 11. I've just been... Oh, there it is. That is what the alarm sounds like when you set to timer 2. Timer 2 is Bastok, timer 1 is Sandoria, 3 is Windurst, and 4 is Juno. And it's pretty neat. I really do like it. It was really worth the money that I paid for it, although it wasn't worth retail. Anyway, I don't have much else to say. I plan on heading to my father's tomorrow to give this to Andrew. I'm gonna wrap it up first and set the alarm on it to go off at around, I don't know, it depends on when I get up, but I'm gonna set the alarm to get up to wake me up around 8:30ish, and I'm gonna wrap it up and drive over there if it's not too bad out. It's been snowing a lot lately. We had a big snowstorm a couple days ago. It wasn't really a storm per se. Yes, it was oh look, the ground has snow on it, cool kind of thing. Wasn't too bad. And that's Windurst. Yeah, anyway, so that's it. Like I said, tomorrow I plan on... I also want to talk to my brother Herbie. He I'm gonna look into selling some of the books I used last semester, or rather last quarter. We're in quarters, not semesters. I'm stupid. So after that, just probably gonna come home and chill. So yeah. See ya.